Alright, so we got the C10 parked there. I ain't gonna say it's a state of emergency over here, but it's a little bit hectic. So the C10, we don't know what it's gonna do until we take it out on this next rendezvous, on this next test run. But from the last couple test runs that we done ran, it's good. Next thing's coming for that will be lowering it. Maybe. Well, I done bought the shit. Unless I can sell it, then I'm probably just gonna use it. Lower it, and then do the drum or do the disc brake conversion or whatever. Whether it's a aftermarket one or one after. Either whether it's an aftermarket or one that is, you know what I mean? Junkyard approved, which I already bought the stuff for it. Shout out to my man Shout Bed up in Funky Town, Dallas area. It was a while ago too. Like, I've been had that stuff. But the brakes on this one good. And y'all seen, it ain't even no fucking brakes on the back. So that's why this motherfucker got me scratching my head. So now I'm finna go on and spin this one around. And I ain't gotta spin it. It can sit where it's at. We can do a cold start though. Alright, so now we got that out the way. Let's get to business. We already know what we gotta do. Hype that thing up. Hype that thing up, put the whatchalls on them. Now it ain't gotta be 6-ton joints, so I just like those because I don't gotta extend them. But honestly, these smaller ones would be a little bit, well, I won't say easier, but like I said, you ain't gotta raise them that high, so I got 2 of these. Man, I got jack stands everywhere. Safety first, nigga. Safety first. All right, man, so real Ricky Bobby race style. We done got that thing up there quick. I changed my mind. It was just easy to go on and throw it on them things right there. So we finna get the bleeding. I mean, we gonna need. I'll put them down speed bleeders that quick. I put them in his bag. Anyway, you seen the bleeders we were talking about earlier. I'm gonna put them in and we're gonna start working our way around the car tonight. Starting with the furthest. So we're gonna go bang, 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 and then the front driver's side. Which in the front is not an issue. You know what I'm saying? All you gotta do is turn the wheel and I can get inside there to bleed them. So it is what it is. So what I am gonna do, I'm gonna grab a couple of drip pans. That brake fluid be messy as hell. I think they got some oil in it. But whatever, I got empty wise container. Put it up, well, that's overkill. Where them circle ones I got? I know I got a couple circle. Well, I got one of them. It's full of damn brake fluid. But I'm gonna find another one for the other side. And then put that up under there so we don't got brake fluid everywhere. All right, so got the bleeders installed. I found that other paper. So 12702 for the front, 12705 for the back. I'm gonna get back here. I'm gonna just loosen the bleeder. They got a check valve in there for the self bleeders. And then I'm gonna hook this hose up. I'm gonna do this and cut it back on. All right, so got this hooked up, bleeder open, start pushing all the air out. And that's just so it don't go everywhere. All right, so that side, I think we good. I'm gonna switch to the other side. All right, so one thing before we get started, that I wanted to tell y'all that I noticed is that front, I've noticed bleeding just the rear. This front one has been dropping. When we did it before, I don't think it ever dropped. You know what I'm saying? There was always this rear one, so I think master cylinder might have been our issue. So we close. Things is looking different.